What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can like, share, or comment down below. It helps our channel reach a wider audience, and we appreciate the support. So one of the unique things about this channel is that we tend to focus primarily on fintechs and especially on credit unions, whereas a lot of other YouTube channels that are in the finance space tend to focus on the larger institutions. Early on in our channel, we really focus on credit unions. Now, we've grown a lot over the last 6 months or so, probably by about 50,000 or so subscribers. And I realize a lot of subscribers may not go back to some of the older videos. So what I wanted to do was reintroduce some of the financial institutions we've covered before. So in today's video, we're going to be recapping Justice Federal Credit Union. Now, we did a review on Justice Federal Credit Union about 6 months ago. Now, this one is a real gem. So I was going through some of the comments and some people stating that they weren't eligible. Now, in that last review, we didn't do a screen share or anything like that. So I wanted to clarify certain information when it comes to membership eligibility. Now, membership eligibility is wide open. Now, the way that you're able to join Justice Federal Credit Union is through a nonprofit called the National Legal Aid and Defenders Association. It's a $20 membership. Once you become a member, that gets you into Justice Federal Credit Union. Another great thing about Justice Federal Credit Union is that they don't hard pull you for membership. They do use check systems, so you will have to pass your check systems in order to qualify, but there's no hard inquiry to join. Now, when it comes to hard inquiries, another great thing is that the hard inquiries are good for 60 days, meaning that you can apply for multiple credit products within a 60-day period and only get one hard inquiry. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because with other institutions, if you apply today and then you decide to apply for something, in 2 days from now, they're going to hard pull you twice. But with Justice Federal Credit Union, you can apply for a car loan. Next week, you could apply for a credit card. The week after that, you could apply for a line of credit or a credit builder loan. And it's only going to be one hard pull as long as you're within that 60-day window. So that's a very powerful technique that you can use to stack multiple accounts and reduce the number of inquiries that you get on your credit report. Now, in terms of who they're pulling, they use Equifax exclusively, except for mortgage loans. But for any type of, credit cards, auto loans, they're going to be using your Equifax FICO 5. So anyways, let's jump over. I'm going to walk you through their membership eligibility, show you how to join, and we're going to cover some of their different financial products. All right, so here we are on justicefederalcreditunion.org. Now, I'm going to walk you through their eligibility criteria. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can join if you do have some type of law enforcement affiliation, but the way that most people are going to be able to join is through the National Legal Aid and Defender Association. Now, this is basically just a nonprofit organization. Now, they have a couple different memberships that you could select depending on where you might fall in. So they have like an attorney membership, they have a student fellow membership, corporate membership. But the way that most people are probably going to be able to join is through this individual client membership. It's just $20 to join. So once you are a member, you'll get your member ID. And then when you're signing up to become a member through Justice Federal Credit Union, you can just provide that membership ID and that gets you into the credit union. So it's very, very straightforward in terms of how to get in. The personal loans and lines of credit go up to $40,000. So right here, they have this Justice line of credit. Now, a line of credit is, in my opinion, superior to a installment loan or even a credit card for that matter, because with a line of credit, you can actually draw down the entire amount. Whereas with like a credit card, you're going to have to do a cash advance, and the cash advance interest rates are a little bit higher. Plus, with the cash advance, you can't withdraw the full amount of the credit card usually. And then with an installment loan, you're going to be paying interest on it as soon as that loan originates. But with a line of credit, you're only paying for what you use. So you're only accruing interest on whatever you draw down on. So their line of credit goes up to $40,000. They also have a shared secured loan where you put down your own funds. They'll issue you a loan and give you the proceeds right back. So this is another great way that you could build credit through a shared secured loan. And then they also have a credit builder loan. So the credit builder loan goes up to $2,500 with terms as long as 12 months. So this, in my opinion, is a game changer because remember, anyone can join this particular credit union. That means that anyone can get this credit builder loan. Now, with all of their credit products, they will be hard pulling you, but you can get multiple credit products with one inquiry as long as you're applying within the same 60-day period, and they're going to be pulling Equifax. So I think these products are great. You know, credit builder loan, shared secured loan. They have a justice line of credit or just a line of credit, and then they have a personal loan as well. So, and then in terms of their credit cards, they have a bunch of different credit cards. They have just their normal credit cards, but then they also have affinity credit cards, which are branded for like different law enforcement agencies. But most of their credit cards have a 0% APR for 6 months intro rate on purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. Zero annual fee, zero balance transfer fee. So they also have a Visa Signature credit card, which earns 1.5% cash back, as well as 0% intro for 6 months, zero annual fee, zero balance transfer fee, zero liability policy, no foreign transaction fees with rates from 10.15 to 18% variable APR. That's after the introductory rate. So here they have the affinity credit card. So the affinity credit cards are just kind of branded for the different agencies. Basically the same offers as the other credit cards, 0% intro. Now, I usually don't cover the auto loans when we're reviewing different financial institutions, but at Justice Federal Credit Union is unique. They have very low rates and you could borrow up to 115% of the cost of the vehicle. So that's pretty unique. I know there's other credit unions like DCU where you could borrow up to 120%, but on this particular credit union, you can borrow up to 115%. They have a auto draft, which is valid for 60 days. And basically, when you apply and get approved for a specific amount, what they'll do is you'll get your pre-approval letter and you can take that to any dealership, and then all they basically do is send the bill of sale to the credit union, to Justice Federal Credit Union, and they'll cut the check for it. So it's very easy. And I always recommend credit unions or any other type of financial institution to get a pre-approval letter before you go to the car dealership, because usually when you're getting dealer financing, if it's not a brand new car, if it's like a used car, then usually they're going to shop you around to their in-house lenders and they actually get a kickback from that. And usually you're not going to get the lowest rate. And I did speak with an individual at Justice Federal Credit Union, and they basically said to qualify for the lowest interest rate that they have, you basically have to have a 780 or higher. So the lowest interest rates go as low as 2.44%, which is pretty good. So I just wanted to share this information with you. You guys could check it out. I'll post links in the description of the video if you're interested. All right, so let's recap real quick. So Justice Federal Credit Union is open to anyone. Most people are going to be eligible through the National Legal Aid and Defender Association. It's just a $20 fee that gets you into Justice Federal Credit Union. And then there's just a $5 membership fee in order to sustain your membership with Justice Federal Credit Union. So in total, you're looking at about $25 in order to join Justice Federal Credit Union. They do use check systems, but they do not hard pull you for membership. The hard pull that they do use when you apply for a credit product is good for up to 60 days. So if you apply for multiple credit products within a 60-day window, they're only going to pull your credit one time. They have personal loans, they have a line of credit, they have a credit builder loan, as well as special offers on their credit cards. Now, again, we're not endorsing or recommending or telling you to go apply for Justice Federal Credit Union. This is for informational purposes only. If anyone is interested, we posted links in the description of the video. That's all I wanted to cover in today's video. Until next time, y'all take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.